I Will Survive was a massive hit for Papa Son, but when was it released? Let's hear from the man himself in our FiWi Culture segment.
I will survive. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to live, I know I stay alive.
That idea came from my father, who worked overtime for us to survive. That's why the video have my family in it. In that video is my father, it was my brother that died gravel. It was also my daughter, my biggest daughter in there. My mother was in that video as well. So there's a family in that video. And it's basically showing, watching my father over the years doing extra jobs to make sure he keep things afloat within our home. You know, because his work not giving him enough salary to provide. So he have to do a little painting here and there. He have to do a little thing over there to kind of fill up the gap and them things. So when you talk about I Will Survive, you know, that's what I was talking about concerning what my, you know, the things I see my father did, you know, who I love so dearly, you know, and that's what inspired me to write that song, which is a major hit, yeah. Because it's something that most Jamaicans can relate to. Most of us don't born with silver or gold spoon in our mouths. We come see our single parent. Sometimes it's just the mother alone working, sometimes it's just the father alone working. And a lot of homes in Jamaica are single parent homes. And we experience a lot of these things and we see those challenges, you know, that our parents face, you know, to sell in the marketplace and then go off and send the kid go to school and have to buy the uniforms and the book and still have to make the kid walk out to school and, you know, all these things that we have seen that people do. You see the man, you see a walk and sell nuts on the road, they have a family too, you know. A lot of them have families, you know. Then they have to go back and feed same way, you know. Look at nuts money they have to use, you know, and do what they have to do and do look at other things on the side. So people can connect to that song because, and that's why I believe it's a big hit because it relates to so many, most of the household in Jamaica can relate to it. I'll survive. Yeah.
Age of 4, try to pull my door. To go out on the street and see the place some more.
And that's how we sign out of this week's episode of Pree Dis Show and from New Kingston. But before we go, Dre, which one of them Porsche area, bro?
Definitely this butcher right here. Yeah man, that is it too.
Yeah, start see your feet and you have the money already.
You know, by next year.
Yo, the boss said next year, no. God know me, I borrow him Porsche sometime. But until then, I'm now the Addy. This is Dre, and we're out.